Adam Smith exploded these ideas. Adam Smith considered that these ideas are erroneous and harmful. Smith's adult life up to this point may be regarded as a preparation for the monumental task to which he now set himself. He was a native of Scotland. He matriculated at the age of 14 in 1737 and joined the University of Glasgow. In the University of Glasgow, Adam Smith came under the influence of a great teacher, Francis Hutcheson. We all must remember a great teacher can change the life of a person. So getting a good teacher is a matter of luck. Professor Francis Hutcheson frequently reiterated belief in the greatest happiness of the greatest number. It became Adam Smith's ruling philosophy. Adam Smith's next stop was Oxford University, where he remained for 6 years. Smith devoted most of his time to extensive reading over wide range of literature. He returned to Scotland to give public lectures in Edinburgh till 1775. In 1775, Adam Smith was appointed first to the chair of logic and metaphysics, and shortly thereafter to the chair of moral philosophy of the University of Glasgow. For 12 years, he served as a gifted and popular lecturer, aiding to his reputation by publication of a bestseller, Theory of Moral Sentiments, a work regarded by the contemporaries as superior to Wealth of Nations. Tempted by generous financial reward, Adam Smith resigned his professorship to accompany a young nobleman as companion and tutor on a 3-year tour of the continent. There he became acquainted with the leading economists, philosophers, political thinkers of the time, particularly in France. As early as 1759, a draft of what subsequently developed into the Wealth of Nations existed in Smith's notes. But the work was slow in coming to the fruition. Years of meditation, study and reading, fast-hand observation, conversation with people in many walks of life, and endless revision were to pass before Smith was ready to turn the magnum opus over to the printer. The 3 years before the publication were mostly spent in London, where he discussed his book with Benjamin Franklin, the great American philosopher. In March 9, 1776, the work did come out from the press. Since that day, it has gone through numerous editions and has been translated into most of the world's living languages. This was the time when Warren Hastings was the Governor General of British rule. In 1776 was the year of great famine of Bengal. Wealth of Nation is actually a history and criticism of all European civilization. Adam Smith wrote with great accuracy about origin and use of money, price of commodities, wage of labor, profits of stock, rent of land, value of silver, distinction between productive and unproductive labor.